Have you ever dreamed of exploring a place that combines the charm of Venice with the breathtaking beauty of the Swiss Alps? Join us as we unlock the secrets of Annecy and embark on a journey through one of the most picturesque cities in France. Here are the best things to do in Annecy, France. Number 11. Lake Annecy. Start your exploration of Annecy with a visit to Lake Annecy. This place is a lovely oasis that attracts people from all corners of the globe. The water is so clear that you can practically see your own reflection. It's the perfect spot to escape from the chaos of everyday life and find some serenity. However, there is so much to do here. Take a refreshing dip in the lake, try your hand at boating or paddleboarding, and just soak in the breathtaking scenery. And when winter comes, this place turns into a magical wonderland with ice skating and skiing events that will get your adrenaline pumping. Number 10. Annecy Castle. Explore Annecy Castle and set your sights on the majestic 12th century tower, a historical landmark perched high above the charming Old Town. The castle's impressive medieval architecture is perfectly complemented with the majestic alpine landscapes that surround it. But there's more to this castle than meets the eye. Step inside and discover the Annecy Castle Museum, housed within the castle complex. Admire regional artifacts, alpine landscape paintings, and contemporary art that narrate Annecy's fascinating history. Knowledgeable guides are available to help you understand the stories that shaped this enchanting city as they walk you through the former fortress turned museum. Number 9. Annecy Old Town. Your Annecy adventure might be incomplete without a visit to Annecy Old Town. Picture yourself strolling along the charming cobbled streets, surrounded by colourful buildings that will keep you captivated. But wait, there's more! The canals flowing through the town give it a touch of magic, earning it the nickname Venice of the Alps. When hunger strikes, you're in for a treat. Annecy Old Town is home to countless restaurants serving up mouth-watering local cuisine. From cheese fondue to savoury crepes, your taste buds will thank you. And don't forget to swing by the vibrant market housed within the Old Town. It's a cultural explosion with fresh produce, local delicacies, and artisanal crafts. Number 8. Annecy Lovers Bridge. Lovers Bridge remains one of the city's top attractions you can't miss, especially for lovers. This dreamy bridge, perched on the edge of Lake Annecy, offers the most adorable views of the lake. As you stroll hand in hand along the bridge, you'll be surrounded by an air of romance that's hard to resist. And guess what? The bridge has a fascinating backstory. It was built back in 1906 with a specific purpose in mind: to enhance the connection between the gardens of Europe and the Old Town. Over time, this bridge has come to embody the city's enduring commitment to beauty, romance, and the celebration of love. Number 7. Palace of the Isle. Looking for an attraction that's a perfect blend of history, architectural marvels, and a touch of enchantment? Look no further than the Palace of the Isle. This amazing place sits right in the middle of the Thiou Canal, giving it that medieval charm that is simply irresistible. And guess what? Inside this magnificent structure, there's a museum that will blow your mind. Take a stroll through the exhibits and get a glimpse into the rich history and significance of the palace. And don't forget to take a moment to appreciate the striking architectural beauty up close. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Annecy experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 6. Annecy Gardens of Europe. For a truly immersive experience, Gardens of Europe, a delightful park nestled beside the stunning Lake Annecy, offers much more than just a picnic spot. This popular destination, perfect for families and nature lovers alike, guarantees a relaxed and enjoyable time. Spread your cozy blanket on the lush green grass and let the awe-inspiring views of the surrounding landscape embrace you. The park's expansive green spaces and towering trees create a tranquil oasis, providing a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Also, ensure to stroll along the meandering pathways, allowing yourself to fully unwind and appreciate the mesmerizing beauty of nature's wonders. Number 5. Promenade du Thiou. Promenade du Thiou is a delightful river walk that will effortlessly captivate you. Meandering along the crystal blue Thiou River, it treats you to an enchanting stroll through the heart of this picturesque lakeside village. As you wander, let the historical beauty of Annecy unfold before your eyes with beautiful views at every turn. You also have the chance to explore at your own pace, unveiling the town's hidden treasures along the way. Bask in the lovely atmosphere as you pass by nice cafes, quaint boutiques, and vibrant gardens. And if you find yourself feeling hungry during your exploration, fret not, because there are plenty of culinary delights awaiting your taste buds, ensuring you'll never go hungry on your thrilling journey. Number 4. Menthon St. Bernard Castle. Don't miss out on exploring the historic Menthon St. Bernard Castle. It's been home to the de Menthon family for an impressive 23 generations, which is mind-blowing if you think about it. The combination of the castle's rich history and its spectacular setting create a truly magical atmosphere. Picture yourself wandering through the castle's rooms, filled to the brim with engaging treasures that give you a glimpse into its incredible past. And the views, they are absolutely striking. Thanks to its location on a fostered hill, you'll be treated to a bird's-eye view of the dazzling Lake Annecy and the charming village nestled below. Number 3. La Tournette. La Tournette is an absolute dream for outdoor enthusiasts seeking an adrenaline-pumping adventure. Get ready to go on a thrilling 6-hour hike that will leave you in awe. This trail is not for the faint-hearted, but the views are worth every ounce of effort. As you conquer the highest peak around Lake Annecy, standing tall at a jaw-dropping 7,700 feet, prepare to be blown away by the unbelievable panoramas that stretch as far as your eyes can see. Starting your trek from the charming village of Montmartre, you'll push your limits and envelop yourself in nature's embrace. But it's not just about the hike. Along the way, you'll stumble upon picturesque towns and encounter historical landmarks that whisper tales of the past. Number 2. Cathedral of Saint Pierre. The Cathedral of Saint Pierre seamlessly combines history, religion, and architectural marvels. This Roman Catholic cathedral, standing tall since the 16th century, holds the prestigious title of being the oldest church in the city. With its intriguing mix of Renaissance and Gothic styles, it exudes an air of timeless beauty. Step inside and you'll find yourself in a world where unadorned walls whisper tales of the past. Every nook and cranny showcases unique architectural elements that will leave you in awe. And if you visit at the right time, you can join any of their programs to worship, explore the cathedral's rich history, and learn about the intricate craftsmanship that went into its construction. Number 1. Gorge du Fier. Gorge du Fier is a spectacular narrow canyon about 6 miles west of Annecy. It's a perfect location for nature lovers and those seeking to experience the beauty of the area. Over millions of years, the Thiou River has carved out these impressive gorges, creating a unique spectacle. The hike through the canyon is accessible and family-friendly, offering a fun and easy adventure. As you make your way along the well-maintained path, you'll be rewarded with engrossing views of towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and the crystal-clear river below. The experience is also educational, as informative plaques along the well-maintained path shed light on the geological processes that shaped the area. Click here for more things to do in France.